Hey guys, this is going to be a quick My Life with ADHD. I am prepping for a show in Gallatin. It's a little one-day event. And I couldn't sleep last night until I did this. And what I did is basically a map of my table. And that gave me an idea of everything I wanted to bring. So I've made a list for that. And I've been working on assembling that. Then on the other side is a list of what I'm going to need for my panel, which is at that show. So this is super simple. Think of it as a roadmap. If you are struggling to remember everything, if you're frequently forgetting important things that can't be quickly picked up at like an Office Depot or a Walmart or borrowed from a neighbor, maybe making a map and a list like this could be beneficial for you. I know some of us, especially me, are visual learners, so having that visual map really spurs my memory and helps me get all of this down. This is a really simple thing to do. It probably took 20 minutes tops, and it helped me sleep easy. So I hope this convention suggestion works for you. I think it's great for anyone, people with ADHD or people who don't have it. But for my ADHD friends who struggle to remember things and often forget important items, this could be a lifesaver. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you again next week. Bye!